Hello traders, in this video I'll be reviewing the Pegasus Pro EA for MT4 and taking a closer look at the information provided on its MQL5 Marketplace page, including its trading approach, requirements, available features, and the historical testing considerations mentioned by the developer. Now, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So, starting with the marketplace page, Pegasus Pro is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Armin Heshmat. At the time of this review, the EA is listed with a purchase price of 30,000 US dollars. The current version shown is version 1.2, updated on September 16th, 2019. According to the description, Pegasus Pro is based on a high frequency trading or HFT algorithm. The developer states that the system is fully automated and designed to scalp different market situations. There are also several operational requirements mentioned here, including the recommendation to use very low spreads, ideally no more than 5 points on major currency pairs, as well as a high VPS, a high speed VPS with extremely low latency. Now, as I continue through the description, the developer emphasizes that the EA is intended for ECN broker accounts and notes that the VPS location should be close to the broker's server location to achieve the lowest possible response times. Looking at the listed features, the developer specifically states that the EA does not use grid trading and does not use martingale. The system is also described as multi-currency, meaning it can operate across multiple instruments rather than being limited to a single market. Another detail mentioned is that each trade uses a small stop loss value of approximately 1.3 pips. The description also references low drawdown, although, as always, traders should independently verify any performance-related claims through their own testing and analysis. But before moving into backtesting, it is worth noting that the developer recommends downloading the provided set files before conducting any tests, stating that the default settings are not intended to be used for backtesting. Recommended currency pairs include Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, NZD USD, and USD CAD. The description also indicates that the EA can operate on any time frame. All right. So now let's move over to the historical testing and analysis section. When evaluating any automated trading strategy, I always prefer reviewing the longest possible testing period because it helps provide a broader perspective on how a system responds to changing market conditions. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Okay, but before then, before we head over to our strategy tester, let us see how this EA performed based on the provided info here. This was just 1 week. This is a trading history or the Pegasus Pro EA. This is 1 week, 172%. Okay. All right, 2019. Let's see what we have here. The date is not very clear. Okay, the information here is not clear. It's not clear at all, but I can see that the Initial deposit was $100, and the total net profit here was, I think this should be up to 1.4 billion, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's not clear, but I think this should be close to 1.4. This should be over 1.4 billion, or is it 140 something million? I think it should be 1.4 something billion or so. And here I can see that the drawdown seems to be low. The win rate is not clear, but I think I'm seeing something around 50 something percent. We are still going to head over to our strategy tester to see, how it performed in our own, market conditions, right? But I just wanted to see the provided tester report here. Okay, I think this one is clearer. We have 2nd January 2019 to 22nd June 2019. Okay, and I think that should be the date I'm seeing here. And then here $100 same, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think this should be over $257 million net profit. And here I can see, I think, about 57% win rate. Okay, all right, and so on and so forth. Let's just head over to our strategy tester, right? I'm testing the Pegasus Pro on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and I'm testing just over the past 3 months, March 19th, 2026 to June 19th, 2026. And then based on what I can see here, initial deposit was $10,000. Total net profit was just $40.88. And the total trades taken were 85, out of which 43 were profitable, giving us a 50.59% win rate. Largest profit was 7.52, largest loss was $1.04, average profit was $1.97, average loss was $1.04. So what that means is that the risk to reward ratio is actually okay. It's close to 1:2. Okay, but the win rate is not bad, but not really good either. Okay, so it's not really surprising to see a very small profit because the win rate is close to 50%, just a little above 50%. And then the risk to reward ratio is not so excellent. So, this is not really surprising. Now, let's go turn on the visual so we can see the EA in action. All right. Based on the information provided, we know that Pegasus Pro uses an HFT based approach, operates across multiple currency pairs, and is highly dependent on low spreads and execution speed. Beyond those disclosed details, it is important not to assume any specific entry logic, indicator usage, filtering methods, or position management techniques that have not been explicitly described by the developer. Now, while reviewing the historical chart activity and the backtest results, I would want to focus on how consistently the system behaved across the recommended pairs and whether execution sensitive performance appears heavily dependent on the trading environment described in the marketplace documentation. As always, historical backtest results should be treated strictly as historical analysis and not as a guarantee of future performance. Actual results can vary significantly depending on broker execution quality, VPS latency, spread conditions, slippage, lot sizing, optimization choices, and overall market conditions. Overall, the Pegasus Pro EA presents itself as a fully automated MT4 high-frequency trading system designed for low latency environments and ECN trading conditions. If you are interested in this type of execution-sensitive approach, thorough testing under conditions similar to those recommended by the developer will be an important step before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.